Okay guys, I'm moving to a whiteboard. I can't stand breaking my pencil. Okay, so we have 1 gram and they're asking us how many milligrams. Now notice this is a G by itself. That means it's a base unit. Okay, that means we're going to use the B above for base unit. So here's our grams and we're going to milli. So that is 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So I'm going to take my 1 and my decimal's at the end, and I'm going to move that 3 places to the right. So we're going to end up with 1,000 again. Okay, so again we have 1 liter and we're going to milliliters. Notice this is an L by itself. That is a base unit. That means we're going to start at the B. And we're going to milliliters. And milli is right here. So we are 1, 2, 3 spots away. We're starting with a 1 and the decimal's after it because it's a whole number. So we're going to move it 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So again, we're going to have 1,000 milliliters. Okay, this time we have 1,000 millimeters. Our milli is our first one. And we're going to meters. Notice it's an M by itself. That is a base unit. So we're going to be going to the B. So we've done this before in the opposite direction, but this time we're going 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So let's see how that works. So we have 1,000, and I know it's a whole number, so the decimal's after it. So you're going to move that decimal 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So that's just 1. 1,000 millimeters is the same as 1 meter. Okay, this time we have 1,000 milligrams, and we're going to grams. So milli is the prefix here. That's going to start right there. And we're going to grams. Notice it's G by itself, so it is a base unit. So we're going to go right here. So we're going 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. Now we have 1,000. We have a whole number here, so the decimal's at the end. So we're going to move that 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So we have 1 gram. Okay, we have 1,000 milliliters. Milli is right here, and they're asking us to go to liters. Notice it's an L by itself. It doesn't have a prefix, so that is what we call a base unit right there. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. And remember, on our whole numbers, our decimals at the back. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 spots to the left, which gives us 1 liter. Okay, so we've done millis, back and forth, back and forth. Let's see if we can try some different ones. Okay, this time we have 130 centimeters and we're going to meters. Centi is right here. And we're going to M by itself. Don't be confused, that's not a milli, that's just a meter. So meter is a base unit right here. So we're going to take our decimal and move it over 2 places to the left. So we have 130, which is a whole number, so the decimal's at the end. So we would have 1.3 meters. Okay guys, I'm going to just keep doing the whole page. So if you get bored, if you know what you're doing, you can stop, go for it. Okay, so we have 1 meter and we're going to centimeters. So remember, this is an M by itself, no prefix. That's a base unit. And then centi is right here. So this time we're going 1, 2 spaces to the right. I have a 1, my decimal's at the end, so we're going 2 spaces to the right. So that is 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Okay, 1 kilometer equals blank meters. So I have a kilo right here, which is right there. And we're going to meters. Notice it's an M by itself. Remember, that's a base unit. So we're going 1, 2, 3 to the right. If we start with a 1 and our decimal's at the end, we're going to move it over 3 to the right. So 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Okay, we just did kilometers to meters. Now we're doing kilograms to grams. Do you have a guess at what the answer will be? If not, I'll show you how to do it. So we have kilograms, so it's right here. Grams is a base unit. There's no prefix on it. It's just a letter by itself. That's right here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 spots to the right. If we're starting out with a 1, the decimal's at the end, we're going to go 3 spots to the right, making it 1,000 grams. Okay, we have 100 centimeters, and we're going to meters. So we have 100 centimeters, and we're going to change that to meters. So, centi is right here. And don't be confused by the m. Remember, m by itself is a base unit, so that's right here. We're not going to milli, okay? We're going from centi to base, so that's 2 to the left. So if we have 100, and our decimal's at the back of it, we go 2 to the left. The answer is 1. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. Okay, we have 1,000 meters, and we're trying to go to kilometers. So remember, m by itself is a base unit. That's right here. Don't be confused with a milli. Now we're going to killi, so that's right here. So we are going to go to the left 3 spaces. If we have 1,000, our decimal is at the end, we're going 3 spaces to the left. So 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Okay, we have 1,000 grams, and we're going to kilograms. So again, we just did this version in meters. So if you know the answer, just write it down. If not, I'll show you how to do it. So we have grams here, and grams is a base unit. I know it's a base unit because it's just one letter by itself. And I'm going to killi. So that is 1, 2, 3 to the left. And if I have 1,000, the decimal's at the end, and I'm going to move that decimal 3 to the left. So 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram.